everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David. Today we'll be having a tutorial of how to fix your Pokemon TCG Pocket error code 102.002.007. The Pokemon TCG Pocket error code 102.002.007. So if you're seeing that, it might just be your internet connection. So you want to make sure it's stable because this error usually appear due to network connection. Next, close the app completely and restart it, as a simple refresh often clears temporary glitches. If still that doesn't work, try logging out of your account and logging back in, which can reset any session errors. You should also check if there's an update available in your app store because older versions can cause unexpected errors. Finally, if still none of these steps fix it, uninstall and reinstall the app, which usually clears stubborn errors while keeping your progress saved if you're logged into your Pokemon account.